Hello, I'm Todd Smith, and this is your Appellate Tip of the Week. This week's tip is follow the Supreme Court of Texas on Twitter. If you're a Twitter user, you may have seen that the Supreme Court of Texas, along with some other courts, have created accounts, and they use these accounts to release information to the public. So what you see here are the last few posts from the Texas Supreme Court Twitter account, Supreme Court _TX. And you see that these are the regular weekly orders from each of the last 3 Fridays, along with, it shows the special order issued June 1, 2020. So if you just wanted to get a copy of the orders, this would be one way to do it, but you'd have to just happen to see it in your Twitter stream unless you've got it set for notifications or you've got a list created or something like that. You can also, of course, get these orders by going to the Supreme Court site on Friday mornings at 9 o'clock and getting to the orders page and then repeatedly clicking refresh in your web browser until the page updates with a link to that week's orders. And then you can also get them through the email list that is run by Osler McCarthy, the court's staff attorney for public information, as we've covered in a prior video. But why would you want to use Twitter to get Supreme Court orders? Well, the answer lies in how quickly you want to get the information. What I've discovered is that the Supreme Court is releasing orders a little bit earlier through the Twitter account than it has been through the website and, of course, through Osler's weekly emails, which come a little bit later in the morning, sometimes than 9 o'clock. So if you've got a case that you're watching at the Supreme Court and you anticipate that it could be on the weekly orders for that week, and you would like to get that information at the earliest possible time, then using the Twitter account is the best way to go. So subscribe, follow the Supreme Court Twitter account if you're on Twitter, and then you have the opportunity possibly to get that information a little bit faster than you would through the ordinary channels. That's it for this week's tip. We'll see you next time.